Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to connect Google Workspace to my signature account. In this case you can see that is hidden in the integration section on the left side, that is the bottom button with the little puzzles icon on that. So before connecting that on the website we need to check everything within Google Workspace admin panel. In case you're not sure how to do that, please feel free to double check the video which is separately dedicated to this process. Once it's done, we can go to Google Workspace Market and download MySignature app. You just need to press admin install, continue. After that, we need to agree to the application's terms of services and finish that. Just like that, we are done with this particular process and we just click done here and we can come back to the integration section here. We just refresh it just in case to be sure everything is updated. Here you can press connect, then go to next. Here you have two options for admin rights. The first one is no invite the admin. You can just click here and send the invitation to the person that has admin rights, and just like that it will be done. In our case we do have admin rights, so we click here, we press connect, and in a few moments we can see that it's successfully connected. Just like that, we are ready to proceed with the next step, which would be importing the users. That is the middle button here on the left. As you can see, we have 0 users at the moment and there are no users here yet. However, we can fix it very easily. On the top right, there is import new users button. We just click it. And here you can see there are 3 users that are connected to our workspace. We can just select them all and import. And in a few moments, you will see the table with the users that we just imported. In case you want to change your mind and delete one of the users, no worries, that is also super easy. You need just to click here on the checkbox icon to the left of the name of the user, and then on the top of the table you click delete, proceed with the delete process, and just like that you've deleted the user that you do not want in this particular table anymore. After that, we are actually ready to proceed with the segments, which is top folder button on the left. And here you can see there is create a segment on the top right side of the screen. We just click it, and here there are 2 options to proceed with creating our signature template. You can start it from scratch, which is the left button, and also you can choose something from the pre-designed options we have here in our database. That was all pre-designed for you. Also, it's still pretty flexible, so you will be able to change everything you want. So let's say I want to go with something simple and professional. Right here, I just use this particular template, and there is a separate flow that we need to go through to finalize our result. Here you can see on the top there are different sections. Let's start with the general one. It's basically the general information is your name, company, and position. And when you scroll down, you can see there is contact information that you can also change. So for the name, for example, let's say we want to change it, and after that you can see it's automatically updated on the right. So on the right you already can see the signature preview right away. Company, let's put just ABC as an example, and for my position I will put marketing manager. Just like that, you already can see it is updated. You can see how it would look. When we scroll down to the contacts, for example, we don't want our cell phone number to be there, we can just delete it, or in case we want to add something new, we can add some fields right here. We are ready to proceed with the image. In this case, I do not want to have the image, but please remember there is an option for that. You just need to click on this upload image icon, choose the file that you want from your laptop, and then you're ready to go with the image, which will be also placed on the signature preview. After that, we're ready to proceed with socials. In this case, you can also change their order. You can paste the links that you have here. If you don't want, for example, Twitter to be on the list, you can just delete it. And after that, there are some add-ons. In this case, there is already an add-on, which is the disclaimer. There are different ones as sign-off, socials, video conference, and so on and so on. This disclaimer, let's imagine we do not need it for this particular time, so it is super easy just to press this icon here and delete it. After, there is the last tab, which is design, and if you remember, I told you that all the designs are still pretty flexible even after you choose the particular template. So here you're actually free to choose a new font that you actually like. You can also adjust the font size, template colors, and also actually just to change the whole layout from the pre-designed options right here. Once it's done, we can save the segment here, and then we can see that is segment number 4. Just for the action column, there are 3 dots, and you can rename your segment, let's say marketing team. And after pressing rename, it's already done. The last thing that we want to do for this segment is probably adding the users. So right here, when you press to the segment that you want to work with, you can add users by the clicking add user button at the top right. We can select them all and add to the segment. Right here, you can see that it's already here on the table. We can choose, for example, the first contact. If you want to invite them, you can also send by email. That is also an option. Let's imagine we do want to deploy all the users. So we choose here by clicking the tick box on the left of their names, and after that we need to click deploy selected on the top right. Here you can see the message the deployment is in progress. It might take a few moments. Once it's done, you will see the successful pop-up window on the top right, and also as you can see here, the status column will be updated with a signature live icon that looks like that. I really hope this tutorial was super useful for you. We've covered all the steps how to get started with integration MySignature account with Google Workspace and then setting everything up. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team, and they will be very happy to make your process as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye, guys.